Hello little adventurers, welcome back to Animal Kingdom. Get ready to meet more amazing creatures from around the world. Today, we're heading to Australia to meet a giant bird that doesn't fly but can definitely zoom. It's the emu, the second tallest bird in the world after the ostrich. Emus can grow up to 6 feet tall, that's taller than most grown-ups. They have shaggy, brown feathers that look like they're always having a bad hair day. Despite having tiny wings, emus are incredible runners. They can sprint at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. That's faster than a galloping horse. And with legs like theirs, they can also jump and kick with serious power. Their big orange eyes help them scan for danger across the open grasslands. They live all over Australia, from forests to deserts to grassy plains. Emus are always on the move, walking for miles every day to find food and water. Speaking of food, they're omnivores, which means they eat almost anything: fruits, seeds, plants, bugs, even the occasional small reptile. An emu can be seen eating small pebbles often. They swallow little pebbles that help mush up their food in their belly because they don't have teeth. Now here's something amazing. Male emus do all the babysitting. After the female lays her eggs, the dad takes over big time. He sits on the nest for nearly 2 months without eating, drinking, or moving around much. And when the babies hatch, he leads them around like a feathered parade float. The chicks are born with stripes and follow their dad everywhere. Emus are important for nature too. They spread seeds through their poop, helping new plants grow. They also stomp the ground as they walk, which helps turn the soil. So even though they look like fluffy dinosaurs, they're eco-helpers too. Big feet, big feathers, big attitude. That's the amazing emu. Thanks for joining us on Animal Kingdom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more wild adventures.